In Notion, drop-down lists are created using the select or multi-select property inside a database. These are ideal for status, priority, category, or any predefined options. Here's how to create a drop-down list. Open or create a database, table, board, list, etc. Click the plus next to the last column header to add a new property. Name the property, for example, status, number, or priority. Change the property type to select, single choice, or multi-select, multiple choices. Click into a cell or the property options and start typing to add new options. Press enter after each option. You can also click add an option. Click the colored dot next to any option to change its color for better visual organization. Once set up, clicking a cell in that column opens the drop-down menu with your options. Tips: you can reorder options by dragging them. To quickly populate many options, type them in a text property separated by commas, then change the property type to select or multi-select. Select properties work in all database views and can be used for filters, sorting, and board groupings.